what you're looking at is this company I just rang, because I thought it was my light going, my light bulb on my table lamp going off, but it wasn't. All of the main lights in my home going off. So I looked on this website, Serving the Midlands and West Power Distribution, Western Power, and I spoke to the guy on the phone, and they've logged the incident as a high voltage problem. They're meant to get it resolved by 4 o'clock, 4:30. I'm on a priority list, and this is what's happening with the weather in UK. Power cut. So I'm a disabled woman, the only one in my area, so they logged my postcode. I've got a suspicion this is something else going on behind the scenes. This is an excuse to get me out, because I'm the only one in high complex disability needs and medical equipment I rely on for my care needs. I had a suspicion why I got my equipment serviced quickly, all of my medical equipment, electrical equipment. So I got one of these old-fashioned phones by my phone socket, like a corded phone, because you won't be able to use your cordless phone if the electric goes off. Right, so turning this upside down. So my mates tested this ordinary table lamp, it's fine. So I'm just going to show you if I can. This is in UK. It shows up in my area. Coventry is the one. Coventry is 30 miles away. How can it affect my area? Anyway, they have an app which I'm going to get my friend to download before anything else happens. And it's bad luck. This is the website. It's got a very good app. I suggest anyone with disabilities or carers just download it if you're in the area, because it's very helpful to know any power cuts in your area and what the weather the way it is. And I'm also unwell, so check your mobile data, your mobile phone data, as a backup. Good job I've got that. And because the landline, your corded phone, would work still, because the telephone exchange would not affect the electrical supply. Okay, I learned that a while ago. It's only happened I've been trying to get my dental illness, trying to figure out if anyone had emailed me back that it's I noticed we got one of these temporary lights, what they call it, a handheld big heavy duty type battery operated lights, and they were checking through, my friend checking through my covers for these like table lamp bulbs, and so went to check the actual table lamp, and she put my lounge light on, my main one above me, and noticed that was flickering as well, because the rest of the lights are off at the moment. It's daytime, and only the heaters are on, like electrical heaters and main heating, it's so cold, and that was flickering. So she checked the fuse box, in case there's a fuse that gone in the box, and that looked fine. And that's when we called up this company. So yeah, so I'm not surprised with the bloody weather the way it is. So I'm not in that area, I'm just a different area. But looked on the apps and what they go on postcodes in the United Kingdom. So I think they subcontract the work out. This company subcontracts the work out, I presume. This is the first time it's happened for my situation anyway. So this has always been by my phone. Last year I hadn't needed to use it, thank goodness. So I called up this number, and a call centre staff bloke was very helpful, and they serve a lot of people obviously, and yeah, so It's worth having one of these by your bed if you're obviously whatever situation, but obviously for disabled people, for example, and one in the hallway. So it's up there if you've got anyone caring for you, you know what number to use, and program it into your phone, perhaps. And yeah, great. Anyway, at the moment it says it's not directly affecting this area. We're on the outskirts, this location. But when my mate just checked the website out, they put my postcode up on as a high voltage area, meaning a high. I mean, I haven't tried the light again. Let me just turn it on. Just turn the main switch on. And I hope the hell it didn't go out, because my heating would go out then. And I'd be in an emergency situation then. Because my health would be at risk. Again. Because no power, mainstream power. And that I mean like the Red Cross, or I haven't got a generator in a block of flats. And I'm the only one disabled in the flats where I live. So I've got really bad dental infection as well. And it's got back to me. And I'm trying to do sea salt mouthwashes, and I've got to get on to do that now before it gets really dark. They've got to put me in some warm clothes. You know, already I'm in my nightwear still because I'm very poorly, but they need to wrap me up in day clothes, just in case. Yeah. So thinking ahead. I've already got suitcases in front of me packed, just in case. Just in case, for God forbid, you know. No, seriously though, I could do without all this. But anyway, I hope those behind the scenes are doing their best they can to help those of others that's got power cuts around the United Kingdom. And if you're affected around the world, I really wish I had my help, because I'd love to be able to bug out, you know, walk, and I can't. I have really bad complex disabilities. So I'm not in that position when you're wheelchair dependent, isn't it? What do you do when there's a power cut? And you don't have access still to state services. You know, hello? See my video where they still haven't finished their assessment on me. You see, you don't know who's behind the scenes. They're not jumping to the gun here. I'm just sticking to this. Please be advised, not advised, just personal opinion. Just cover all angles when you're in a situation like mine. Whether you like it or not, unfortunately, this is the reality of life nowadays, isn't it? If I could be off the grid and have my health, I would have done that. I don't have the family around anymore for years, with the way they treated me and the way they are still. I've got to go, I'm very poorly.